So here I am today, floating down the Grand River between Cockshut Bridge and I believe Highway 18. The Oxbow as it's known. I'm going to do some fishing. I'm going to try using the Maps Aguila. It's a shallow runner. See if I can stir up some fish. Just got some advice from my dad on which lure to use, so here we are at about the 10-kilometer mark. I'm at 2 hours and a half in. Nice little piece of property, a little boat ramp, I suppose, maybe. Still no fish, and I've changed up my Meeps lure to the Black Fury. I think that might be a bald eagle's nest. We're at about 12 kilometers right now. So here's where you want to go. You see County Road 18 up there at the bridge. And right here, there's a little tree log. And that's where you go in and get your car. I've gone about almost 15 kilometers in about 3 hours and 45 minutes at an average pace of 15 minutes a kilometer. By a nice 1.72 kilometer walk. Back to the car about 15 minutes.